everybody, I didn't want to let Joe have all the fun with his new Path Racer project, so I ordered something from France and it just arrived yesterday, and we're going to be doing some unboxing today and let you have a look at it. I'm not too thrilled, as it looks like the top end was crunched pretty much, so we're going to have to get lucky with that. Anyway, let's take a look and see what we have. Keep your fingers crossed. Okay, it looks like the area that got crunched wasn't part of the... Well, it looks like they did a very good packing job. And the fork is kind of tricky for the... Okay, let's see. First thing out. Oh, he does sometimes when wow, he did the same handlebar job that we do when we slip the handlebar through everything. Very tricky. It's all going to have to come out in one fell swoop here. Okay. Handlebars. There's a clue as to what they are there. It says Delage. It goes down. We've got a wheel with a flip-flop hub fixed on one side. Okay. These are, look like clinchers. Old clinchers. Amazing. And the bike itself. Wow. It's actually not that heavy. This is a Claude Delage bike built in Paris. He built bikes from around 1910 to the late 1920s, so this is from that time period at some point. And it looks like it survived the trip. Let me get the... They did quite a disassembly job on this guy. Oh boy. But everything looks to be in one piece. Okay, this box, this looks like the crank. Holy cow. Wow. What a cool crank. Wow. Wow. Delage. And the pedals. C Delage. That is crazy. Crazy. Put this down here. Okay. Seat post. Wow. Saddle. That is a well-worn saddle. Meilleur. I think that means the best. Wow. Okay. This is like Christmas morning. Other pedal, other side of the crank. brakes. Wow. Wow, those brake pads look like they've been on there. Can't quite make out what it says. It says something maybe with a magnifier. You'll be able to tell. Holy cow. Holy cow. These mount on the fork. Oh, holy cow. This. Another pair of brakes. These look like different brakes. These are like a crazy side pull. Wow, these levers are nuts. Wow. What else do we have here? Bearings, axle, spindles, wing nuts. This bike was fully assembled in France, so this guy did quite a job. This, I don't know what this is. But he was very careful to wrap this in tissue paper. So, oh, it's a chain. And that has writing on it too. Says something in French. Yeah, we're going to be doing a more detailed video on this too when we get the bike more towards completion. And okay, let me show you some of the other. This is the fork. It's got a really interesting fork crown, really cool, unique fork crown there. Looks very deco. Dropouts look good. And I don't know if I ever showed them the frame. And here is the frame. Your focus isn't going to be. There's the head tube. So the plan is to get this rideable and make it a rider and ride it around. We'll have videos of that too when it happens. So there you go. I don't know if you ever saw the handle, but good shot of the handlebars. Pretty wild. That stem is crazy. Looks like someone varnished the handlebars. Okay, so until next time, we're going to get cracking on this bike and we will let you know about the progress. Claude Delage, circa 1920, I'd say. See you next time. Bye-bye.